Welcome back to my second video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make an advanced command handler so you can have every command in separate files instead of having thousands of code inside the index.js file. So let's get started on that. First you need to require something called fs, so go underneath the require discord.js and make a constant called fs. That's gonna be require fs. Then we need to go down underneath the prefix and start with some code. So client.commands is equal to new discord.collection, and end that function off and make a constant called command files, and that is equal to fs.reaDirSync, not a read file sync but reaDirSync. Then some brackets, a string dot slash commands, and slash. That also reminds me we need to make a folder called, not file, but a folder called commands. And now we can keep going. So we're now gonna be doing a dot filter and then file with a lowercase, no, what the, not in there. Well, yeah, it is in there, forget about that. Arrow function and then file dot ends with and then .js. So every folder in the commands that ends with JS, this code is gonna recognize. So then go underneath this and for, and then const file of command files, open that up, and then const command, and then we need to do dot name. No, wait. Yes, that is not correct. Dot constant command is equal to require. Then dot / commands / also we need to have the the quotation marks like that, because then we can do that again, but now we can also do this, and then file, then a semicolon, and then 2 lines down, client.commands, then .set, then command name, colon, no, not colon, but comma, and then command, a semicolon, and that's it for the index.js. I'll get back to you soon. Okay, now I'll be showing you what code we're gonna be putting in the files in the command folder. So make 2 new files that we're gonna call ping.js for the ping command and say.js for the say command. In here we're gonna be requiring discord, so discord, and then is equal to require, then discord.js. For some commands you don't need this. For example, the commands we're doing right now we don't really need, but if for example you're doing embeds, you're gonna need that. So just to make it easier, so you can just copy this, we're gonna be putting a require discord in there. Then you're gonna go 2 lines down and module.exports is equal to, and open that up. Then name. This is gonna be the name of your command. So for this file, say, and the comma, and then the description. That's gonna be returns a message given by a user. This is also optional, but you know. Then we can do execute message args for arguments. Open that up, and in here you're gonna be putting the command or the code for the command. Also, if your command is a asynchronous command, you're gonna be putting async, but since we're not doing that for these commands, you don't need that, but I'll remind you of that if we're making any asynchronous commands. Now we're gonna be heading back to the, oh no, we can first copy this and go to the ping command, paste that, and ping, and then returns pong. There you go, and go into your index, copy the command, and then paste them in there. Do the same for the say command, and there. And now I will be replacing the command with the file, so it executes the file instead. So this is gonna be client.commands.get, and then verify. No, not verify. Why did I put that there? Maybe because I made a verify command before this. It's gonna be ping, no, say, because this is the say command. Then go outside here and execute the message, comma, arg for arguments, and end that off, and do the same for the ping command. Just replace this with ping. Now let's just make sure that's say and that is ping. Nice. Now we can try to run the code and see if it works. So I just need to debug console, the body's online. If I now, for example, ping, it returns pong, and say test, it says test, so we see no errors, it works perfectly. That was it for today. Next time I'll probably get into embeds or a ban kick command, so just tell me in the comments what you want to see, and I'll see you then.